guys, Gina here and welcome to my channel, and Sawyer is along for the ride today too. Sawyer, say hi.
No.
He's busy, he's eating. Happy meals are how we get through these CVS in stores when I have little man with me. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into the deals for CVS starting the 10th of March. Let's just hop into it. So first thing on my list is Irish Spring Body Wash, the 15 to 18 ounce or the 6-pack bar soap. I would suggest you do the bar soap route because I think it's a better value. But these are on sale for $3.99 and we're getting $1 off 1 coupons coming in the Smart Source. And when you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck, you guys. So what you want to do is buy 3 of them for $11.98. No, $11.97. Then go ahead and use 3 of those $1 off 1 coupons coming in the Smart Source. So you would pay $8.97, get a $5 extra care buck back, and $3.97 for all 3 of them. Now, if you have a 2 off 8 CRT for body wash, stack it here. If you have that CRT, it comes out to just 93 cents for all 3 of them. So great deal. You guys, so this next deal is a killer deal. So this is on Joah Cosmetics. Joah, I always pronounce it wrong. Anyways, they're on a spend 10, get $8 back in extra care bucks. So something I'm going to suggest you do is pick up 2 of the I'm Your Jelly matte lipsticks. There are tons of lip colors that are priced for $5.99. So buy 2 of them for $11.98. You get back that $10 extra care buck back, making them $3.98. And then if you have a 2 off 12 CRT, definitely pair it here. If your store allows the 98% rule, then go ahead and use it here. This is a great deal, and I have a video all on this line if you guys need some suggestions. All right, you guys, so we have a nice freebie on some toothpaste. So the first freebie is on the Colgate. So Colgate Optic White and the Colgate Total, these are on sale for $3.50, and we're all gonna get a $2.50 off instant coupon, and we have $1 off 1 coupons coming in the Smart Source. So this makes this completely free, you guys. So I love when we can get freebies that aren't attached to extra care bucks. So you just come in, stack those coupons, and you're gonna get free toothpaste. All right, you guys, so we have another freebie for toothpaste. So the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, these guys are on sale for $3, and you're gonna get a $1 extra care buck back when you buy 1, and there's a $2 off 1 coupon you can send to your CVS app, or you can use the P&G coupons. All right, you guys, so we have a nice little deal on some pull-ups and Huggies here at CVS. So what I want you to do first, they're a part of a spend 30, get $10 back in extra care bucks, and they're also buy 1, get 1 50%. So what I want you to do is buy 2 of the Huggies pull-ups. So my store has them priced for $13.49. So buy 2 of these, and go ahead and buy 1 of the jumbo pack of Huggies diapers. So total is going to be $33.72. So we have some great printable coupons. We have $2 off 1 coupons for the pull-ups, 2 off 1s for the Huggies. So you're gonna take $6 off in those printable coupons. There's also some coupons you can send to your CVS app if you don't want to print. And then you're gonna get a $10 extra care buck back. And we have Ibotta rebates for the pull-up. So you can do the pull-up Ibotta twice. So final cost is going to be $4.57 after extra care bucks, coupons, and Ibotta offer. Now this is going to be even better if you have a CRT for a diapers. So look out for that CRT. It's going to make for an awesome deal, you guys. Alrighty, so we have another spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks for Eucerin. So I love when this deal rolls around. So I'm going to do the same deal I highlighted last week. So the Eucerin eczema cream is priced for $9.99. So go ahead and buy 2 of them for $19.98. Then use 2 of those $3 off 1 printable coupons. So that's going to take $6 off. So now you're down to $13.98. Then you get the $10 extra care buck back, making it $3.98. And then if you have a CRT for lotion, definitely pair it here for an even better deal, you guys. You guys, we also have a really nice deal on Johnson & Johnson. So Johnson & Johnson is spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. We have printable coupons you can print from coupons.com, and there's also a coupon that you can send to your CVS app. So the lowest price I'm seeing is at $5.99. So there's tons that are $5.99. So we have the Calming Shampoo, we have the No More Tangles shampoo and conditioner, we have the regular baby shampoos right here. So this is the least expensive thing that I am seeing. So pair those printable coupons with the extra care buck offering, and then add any CRTs you may have for body wash, lotion, And then most of the time they will also include Destin in this promo as well. So the Destin is priced for $5.79. So just a few options for you guys. So another deal you could do is you can go ahead and combine this deal with some paper products. So the pull-ups, go ahead and get 2 pull-ups for $20. Okay, so I also want you to pick up 2 of the Scott paper towels. This is the 6 counts. They are priced for $5.99 on sale. So we're getting $1 off 1 coupons coming for the Scott toilet paper. We also have $1.50 off 1 coupons coming for the Huggies pull-ups, but there are also printable $2 off 1 coupons as well. So your final cost you're gonna pay is you're gonna pay $24.98. Then you're gonna get that $10 extra care buck back, making it $14.98, and then you could submit $2 to Ibotta twice for those pull-ups. So I think this is a fantastic deal. You guys should definitely consider doing. Included in the spend 30 get 10 deal is Hefty trash bags. So they're on sale for $6.99, and we have that $1 off 1 coupon, so you could buy a bunch of trash bags, stock up, or you can just come in here and get 1 box for $5.99. So definitely keep a lookout for your Hefty coupons and come get some trash bags. All right, you guys, so for this last deal, I'm gonna highlight the Starbucks coffee. So Starbucks bag coffee and the K-Cups, they were on sale for $6.99, which is a great deal. The regular price is $9.99, so this is a really great deal. So definitely keep a lookout in your grocery section. Well, clearance is all over the store, but I found the Gold Emblem Abound peanut butter. It is 50% off, so it's $1.59. And if you go to cvs.com/coupons, there's a printable $1 off 1 coupon you can get. So this is gonna make this just 59 cents for peanut butter. So this is a hot clearance find. Hope you guys enjoyed this in-store CVS video. I wanted to share with you guys just So I hope you guys enjoyed this CVS in-store video. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and definitely check out the printable breakdown below for a list of all the deals with all the coupons and all the info you're gonna need.